Hello everyone. So here we have a question that says if a line makes angle 90 degree and 60 degree respectively with positive direction of x and y axis, find the angle which makes the positive direction of with the positive direction of x axis. Basically we have two angles given with respect to x and y axis. We need to find the angle with z axis. So first thing that should strike our mind that we know a formula that says cos square alpha plus cos square beta plus cos square gamma is equals to 1. So we knew the value of alpha and beta. We just need to calculate the value of gamma. So let's see how. So we know the value of cos 90, cos square 90, cos square 60 plus cos square gamma is equals to 1. So here you can see cos gamma is this, and we'll get two values of gamma because we need to calculate cos gamma and it is square. So we'll take the square root and we'll get two values of